welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna learn how to make this super easy recipe that I found while I was scrolling on Instagram. It's a one pan sheet meal. I'm excited to try it out just because it has very few ingredients and it seems like it's very quick and easy to make. So if you guys are ready, then let's get started. So for this one sheet pan meal, we're gonna be making some chicken fajitas, and the ingredients that we'll need will be bell peppers, onion, some garlic cloves, your spices. I have here black peppers, some cumin, paprika, salt, coriander, and some onion powder. And of course, last but not least, your chicken. Now we're gonna start off by cutting our bell peppers, but before we do start cutting our bell peppers, our onions, our garlic, we wanna make sure we turn on our oven to 425. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I sometimes have a hard time cutting things. I'm not the best at cutting certain vegetables or fruits or even meat, but I mean, this is kind of how I do it. I don't really have a technique, but we are learning, so hopefully as time goes by, we get better at this. All right, now let's cut our chicken. And one thing that I saw on the video, it did say to cut your chicken in thin slices. So let's make sure we cut our chicken as thin as we can. Okay, now that we cut up our bell peppers, our onions, and our chicken, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna line one pan with parchment paper or aluminum. I don't have parchment paper, so I'm gonna be using aluminum. I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil on here. And then we're gonna add all of our ingredients into this pan. All right, now we're gonna add all of our spices and we're gonna give it a good mix. All right, now we have our sheet pan ready to go. Before I pop it into the oven, I am gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of it. Okay. Now this is gonna go into the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, so let's take out our chicken fajitas out and see how they turned out. Wow, this looks absolutely delicious and it smells so good. Now let's assemble our tacos. All right, now that we've assembled our one sheet pan fajitas, let's give it a try. Absolutely delicious. The chicken is nice and tender, the bell peppers and the onions are seasoned perfectly, super easy to make, highly recommend it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This recipe was super easy to make, super simple. I love that it was just in one sheet. You threw all of the ingredients in there, popped them in the oven, and the chicken turned out super delicious, super tender, full of flavors. So this was such a great recipe, and I highly recommend this recipe, especially for those of you who are new like me and still learning new things, trying to feel a little bit more comfortable in the kitchen. This is the perfect recipe to do so. I will link all of my ingredients and the measurements down below. I'll also link the person that I found this recipe from. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone!